The city of Grants Pass is reconstructing its water treatment plant. We're rebuilding it on a new location as the existing structure is deficient and it's in the floodplain. It's really a great project for the community. So we have selected a design build delivery method, which means that our designer is also our builder. Because there is one point of contact, the designer and the builder, they're one person, and the city, we're able to progress the design together. That means we're able to do very quick design, very quick review, very quick feedback to the designer and the builder, and then be able to start that construction even before the design is 100% complete. Our design process, though, was far more complicated, in which we had to select certain components ahead of time. One example of that is selecting the membrane components. We are now at probably 10% design. We have selected the membrane system because the design of the treatment plant is all wrapped up in the membrane system. The pump sizing, the building sizing, everything kind of revolves around that. So we likely will see site activities in the summer of 2024. The council has made a lot of really hard decisions to get to this point. They've got a few more difficult decisions to go. Financing is one of the things we're struggling with, and we're working on a couple of really spectacular grant applications, which will hopefully bring this project to its completion. This is probably one of the most important projects the city of Grants Pass has ever undertaken. As we know, water is like the key component that keeps the economy driving forward. We all need it every day of our lives, and I'm just grateful to be part of the project.